Hi crafters, Echo here with the non-traditional color Christmas card using the Heart of Christmas stamp kit with coordinating dies from Unity Stamp Company. I am placing the heart down on the card panel and inking it up with Memento Angel Pink ink. You can use whatever pink ink you have on hand. I'm die cutting the sentiments and dropping them right into the negatives I have already all set up in the MISTI, so then I know how to stamp, where to stamp exactly onto the die cut. And I just have it set up like that until I'm done making my cards. I stamp it in the Gina K red ink. Now I'm die cutting the card panel, excuse my daughter's head, and ink blending the edges in Gina K Sea Glass. I'm just ink splattering the same color ink, making some splatters, and putting it on against a pink die cut pink matting. And I wanted the blue to be a little darker, so I did go in with tranquil turquoise. And I put it on a red card base and then added the sentiments. Adding a few gems just to give it a little finishing touch. And that will be it for the non-traditional color Christmas card. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting.